Come on now, please.
You did last night. Oh.
Last night was last night. Now is now.
My brother's inside.
Your brother. You know your brother does not even have time for me. Every time busy, busy, busy. When I touch him, you're telling me busy.
You know I'm here for you. Normally, if I want to do it, is either he's sleeping or he's out. But now, he's awake. And it's not night that he's sleeping, so please, let's just chill.
He's not coming out anytime soon. So let us
He's my brother.
He's my husband.
Let's just... You know how we do it. He's my brother. I know how I want to do it.
What is it?
Babe. How are you?
I'm fine. Babe.
Yeah.
Are you going out?
Yes, I quickly want to go get something. I won't be long.
Okay.
Bro, I'm taking the other Jeep to help me service the other one, okay? Like, when I mean service, just service it very well. I know you're good at that, okay? I will be back shortly. Don't forget to help me service it well. Service!
Okay, bros. No,
okay, babe, take care of yourself.
Don't forget, service it. Service, okay?
I swear he knows.
Who knows who? I don't understand.
Read between the... Listen between the lines.
Forget him. I know my cousin, bro. How he talks and the rest. Let me get drink. It's not it. It's not it.
Are you sure?
You said you want it now. It's not it now. Let's do. Let me bring drink.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Once we're done, finish with you. You know that your husband is still in. You know that complaint that it doesn't satisfy you. Yeah.
Finish when you're done. You finish it with orange juice.
I need to just calm myself down first. And we did last night now. Chess.
Last night.
Which chess? When you finish watching this,
What are you watching?
It's fun.
Huh?
I say no.
Something wrong about this juice.
This.
Look at them. Shameless fools. I brought you to help you in my house. And all you could pay me back is by sleeping with my useless wife. Somebody I called my wife. So how do you guys feel now? Idiots. Oh, why not go outside? What happened to other girls? I'm sorry, but I had to do what I had to do. At least. Should I rush them out to the hospital? Oh, I think I need to move them.